Good morning. I am Ramanan, Department of PG and Research, Computer Science, Sri Vidyamandir Arts and Science College, Kateri, Uttangarai. So now we take the class Introduction to Data Mining. So first, what is data mining? Data mining is the extraction of hidden predictable information from large database. So data mining techniques as a result for long process. Actually data mining is a knowledge of discovery in database. That means KDD systems. So the data mining is make a two type of decision making process. First one is OLTP and next one is OLAP. OLTP stands for online transaction processing. The online transaction processing means day-to-day mining of database in organization. That means OLTP. OLAP is the decision makers providing for the summary. That means that's the database information. So that is called the data warehouse. So next one is data mining process. What is data mining process? The data mining extracting or mining knowledge from the large amount of data. So the data mining process is including the following data: requirement analysis, data selections and corrections, changing and cleaning and preparing data, data mining exploitation and validation, implementation, extraction and monitoring, result visualization. So first one is requirement analysis. It is formulate goal data mining process for accepted in Hadar. For example, the business problem most likely defined is evaluate the results. So the requirement analysis. So next one is data selection and collections. Finding the best source database in data required. For example, data warehouse, we can retrieve the data. The data will be how can be hidden the database. So it is implement for the data warehouse. The most of the data could be available have. So if data is not available in the warehouse, the enterprise does not have a warehouse. The source of OLTP systems need to identify and record information enterprise. Okay. So the next topic is cleaning and preparing data. So data cleaning is the process of removing noise and inconsistent data. So the data source that integrate data from number of database. Data source the integrate data from the number of database. So data integrate where multiple data source may be combined. So we are using for some techniques. ETL, extraction, transformation and loading. The tools used for the overcome of the problem. Okay. So next one is data mining, exploration and validation. So the exploration and validation means the data mining explorations after collecting and cleaning data. So when you exploration data, collecting the data and cleaning data. After collecting and cleaning data, we can using for exploring a data mining. So in this stage, constructed from apply number of relevant techniques. In this stage, construct from applying the relevant of techniques. So the results should be evaluated for the significance interpreted for the each techniques. Okay. The next one is implementation, evaluation and monitoring. So how can we implement the data mining techniques and how can we evaluate and how can we monitoring? This is the main concept. So once model has been selected, that model will be validated or invalid. We can select the validate model data that can be implemented for the decision makers. So the involved software development in processing reports. So evaluation may involve the checking the accuracy and efficiency of techniques. So the regular monitoring. So regular monitoring means we can perform the techniques that has been implemented. Monitoring is from time to time refinement of tools. Monitoring is time to time refinement of tools and techniques that be implemented. So next, result visualization. So result visualization is the result of data mining is decision maker in important step of the data mining process. So actually the tools developed in the result visualization is display the results. So okay. So next one is data mining applications. Data mining applications. So data mining is used to the wide variety of application. Okay. So it is 6 related groups. The one is prediction and description and relationship marketing, and next customer profiling and outlier identifiers and detecting fraud, customer segmentation, website design and promotions. Okay, the prediction and description. Prediction description is used for the sales forecasting. Prediction description is used for the sales forecasting and analysis. So the techniques is above selecting sum of all attributes of the object in database, predicate other variable of interest. So next one is relationship marketing. So relationship marketing means data mining can help of analyze customer profile, discovering sales triggers, identify critical issue, improve customer retains. So customer profile is the next one is customer profile. So customer profile it is processed using the relevant and available information to describe the characteristics of group of customer. It identifies the discrimination of other customer and ordinary customer. So profiling can help of the enterprise identifying the most valuable customers. So customer profiling may be help in interacting the lifetime value of customers, facilities, credit card approval. So outliers, the next one is outliers, identification and detecting fraud. So data mining used to identifying outliers, fraud and unusual cases. So it is simple to identify the unusual expenses claimed by staff, identifying anomalous in the equipment's purpose during auditing and identify fraud. So customer segmentation. The next one is customer segmentation. It is way to assess the view individuals in the market based on their status and needs. So data mining can be used for customer segmentation. Data mining can be used for customer segmentation and increasing customer retention. So it is a branch segmentation and evaluating the performance of various banking and channels. So next one is web design and promotion. So web mining may be used for the discover how users navigate a website and the result for improving the site designs. So data mining can also lead to cross selling by suggesting to a web customer items through the correlating properties about the customers. So next one is finally, so data mining used for following fields: banking, direct marketing, fraud detections, scientific data, bioinformatics, hardware, medical, telecommunications, e-governance. So data minings we are using for the various field. Okay, so this is the introduction for the data mining techniques.